In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on YouTube. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. We're gonna do this using our computer, so go ahead and enter your YouTube page. Now, what you will do is click on your profile picture. You will find it right here at the top right. Then you will select YouTube Studio. Once you see your channel dashboard, go ahead and select content. Then you will pick the video that you want to disable comments on, and you will click on details. Once you're inside your video details, scroll down to the bottom, click on show more, scroll down just a little bit more, and all the way into the bottom, you will see comments and ratings. And right here is where you can disable your comments. To do that, you will simply select the off option, and now no one will be able to comment on your YouTube video. To make sure your comments are turned off, simply go back to your video by clicking on it. So I'm going to select you on YouTube. And as you can see, if I scroll down and I try to comment something on the video, I will see that the comments are turned off. Hope that helps.